I wring out the mop after every use each day. I am wringing the water from my swimsuit right now. I have just wrung out the wet towel. I have been wringing my hands with worry all morning. I wrung the cloth dry over the sink yesterday. I was wringing out the laundry when the machine beeped. I had wrung every drop from the sponge before I rinsed it. I had been wringing out flood water from the carpet for hours before help came. I will wring out the swimming towels tomorrow. I will be wringing sheets by hand at the cottage all day. I will have wrung out every garment by the time the rain stops. By tonight, I will have been wringing out these soaked rugs for hours.